You better calm down before I break your other ankle. Welcome back to the channel, all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters. And today we had a great video for you. I'm gonna teach you what you need to know about this business. We are a junk removal company out of Sonoma County. So make sure you smash that like button and let's get this money. All right, babe, I love you. I'll see you later on, okay? Now, in this line of business, there's going to be a whole lot of competition, especially out here in Sonoma County. We got junk haulers everywhere. Everywhere you look, you see a trailer parked on the side of the road, a dump truck driving by. It's just part of the game. But I look at it like this. There's three types of junk haulers. You got the bottom feeders. They're doing stuff super cheap and barely making any kind of money, maybe even illegally dumping the stuff. Then you got the ones that are making good money right about here, but not killing it. Then you have the ones that are making a killing and up here and charging that top-notch money to make that top-notch dollars. So what kind of hauler do you want to be? Ask yourself that. Now I'm waiting on the Julio. He should be here any minute. Then we'll be heading out to the first job, and it's for a repeat customer.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
Hey, just remember, dude, don't be a goddamn bottom feeder, bro.
Don't be a bottom feeder?
Top price is the best.
Yeah, those burritos are expensive. Like, what, $15 a burrito nowadays?
Expensive as heck now, dude.
And me and the Julio, we like to eat good, so we ain't no bottom feeders.
No, not over here.
No top ramen no more. No mac and cheese and hot dogs. No more Costco $1.50 soda and hot dogs. That does sound kind of good, though, huh?
Today it does.
So we're heading on out.
You never know what you might see on the roads these days.
That's what you call meth on wheels. So the first job is complete. It took about, what, Julio? A minute and a half?
About a minute and a half.
So leave a comment down below. What would you charge for this piece right here? And that's the only thing that went. So yeah, on to the next one. You ready?
Like 150.
150? I like that price, Julio. So just like that, the first job is complete. And remember, not every job is for you. Like Julio, what jobs do we not tackle?
Stuff with concrete, rocks, dirt, roofing, paints, chemicals.
Stuff like that we will not tackle. And also, if the customer wants to set our price, we ain't doing the job. That's something you never want to do. Don't ever let the customer tell you what they're going to pay. And also, if it's a dangerous situation, just remember, not all money is good money. You might show up to a job, it's down some windy road, and you're in your truck and trailer, and it might be kind of difficult to back on out. That might be a job you might not want to take. Or maybe they want you to grab some trash out of some poison ivy or poison oak, Julio. That's something me and you, we ain't gonna do.
I ain't doing it.
Hell no. So we're heading to the next one. Are you ready, Julio?
I'm ready.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
So Matt and Julio are at the next job of the day, and it is for a repeat customer. So remember, repeat customers are golden. And now let's welcome some of our newest channel members. We have Oscar Vasquez, Danny Badillo, Downers Multi-Service, and Nick Deanda. Welcome to the channel membership. And if you're interested in becoming a member, check out the link in the description down below.
job, but just a different place. Now the JoJo's gonna drop some game for you about some things you need to know about this business. Now Julio, can I get a beat? What the hell, dude? Are you serious? Can I get a drum roll? Oh, hell no, Julio. Come on now. Can you sing at least?
Just in the shower.
Whatever. So JoJo's gonna drop some game. Here she is.
So one thing you need to know about this business is as soon as you start it, people are going to hit you up. They will be messaging you. They'll be saying that they have a service and you need their service. One thing that's going to happen is when you open up a Yelp, they are going to call you. They will probably call you every single day, multiple times a day. They're trying to tell you that you need to pay for Yelp because, you know, it'll make you so much more searchable and you'll get so much more jobs. Now, some people do pay for Yelp, and Yelp isn't a scam, but we've never paid for Yelp. We use the free Yelp, and that has worked just fine for us. And when we first started, we had to tell Yelp over and over and over again that we are not interested. So beware, they are going to contact you. Another thing is people will contact you and tell you that your website isn't searchable. And they have the best service for you, and they can increase your SEO, and on and on and on. And they will contact you either through email, direct message, DM you through Facebook, Instagram, and tell you how much you need their service. So just keep in mind that if somebody's service is awesome, they probably aren't going to go out of their way and contact you. You'll contact them. You will search them out because they are such needed and so well known, and their service is, you know, something that people talk about and brag about and say that they used them. So majority of the people that reach out to you really probably aren't that good. Now, if you enjoy these videos, hit like, subscribe, and also the notification bell so whenever we have a new video, you can be notified.
Just like that, job is complete. And Julio, damn, that was a workout, huh?
That was a workout.
But anyways, this is a find of the day I found yesterday. It is pH Perfect Hydration Water. So let's give it a review, Julio. I got this at a job. I feel fancy as hell right now. And it expires next month. I never knew water expired.
I didn't think water expired, but I guess it does. I didn't know that.
So try it out. Look at his pinky right now. Holy crap.
Fancy as hell, man.
That's that good water. So now it's my turn to try it out. Damn. This is way better than tap water, Julio, for real.
A lot better than tap water.
So you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to start putting tap water in here and start giving it to the JoJo so she thinks she's getting the good water. So the review is a 2 thumbs up for sure. pH Perfect Hydration Water is that fancy stuff. Pinkies up and 2 thumbs up. So now, Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
I say 98 with 50 cents.
98? I'm going way higher. I'm going to say 167 and 50 cents. So now we're heading to the landfill. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. So guess guess who won the prediction of the dump fee? It wasn't the Julio, it was Mr. Matthew Vick. Yeah. But anyways, we're going to talk about some more things you need to know about this business. Now, there's 3 real important things you need to know how to do in this business. And number 1 is you got to learn how to price jobs. And number 2 is you got to know how to market yourself. And number 3 is you got to be able to sell yourself. So when it comes to pricing jobs, at first, when I first started this business, I left a lot of money on the table, Julio. I was pricing too cheap. So if you price a job too cheap and you don't make that much money on it, just take it as a learning experience and don't ever do it again. And another thing that is super important is marketing your business, having a good brand and getting your name in front of as many people as possible. You got to do that to get the business, because if you can't market your business, you ain't gonna get no business. And the third thing is you got to be able to sell yourself on the phone to the customer and get that job, line that job up, lock that job in, and get the job done. So you got to sell yourself, Julio.
Yeah, that's the most important thing.
Now, Julio, did you bring your man thong today?
No, I brought my Speedo.
Wow. Did you really? Hey, Julio's all about selling the job. Whatever we got to do to get the job, we'll do. So we're heading there now. You ready?
I'm trying to get paid.
I'm trying to get paid today. So we're heading on out. So we're at another one, and there's this stuff and a few items in the back patio. Now, Julio, that was an easy ass job, huh?
Easy, 5 minutes.
And we got a find of the day. It's like brand new.
Clean, barely untouched.
And the JoJo's gonna love it. So, Julio, who's the cover winner of the week on our Facebook group?
Easy Go Junk Removal.
Out of Arizona. Check the guy out. It's my good buddy Gary. And he also has a YouTube channel, so check him out and subscribe. Now we're heading to the next one. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. So we're at the next job of the day today. It's a repeat customer in Santa Rosa, California.
Now, just like that, job is complete, and damn, Julio, today has been an easy day.
It has 5-10 minute job, in and out, quick.
So something else you guys want to know about this type of business, this type of work is you got to save your money for the winter time, the rainy season, because I don't know what state you're in, but if it's snowing, I guarantee it's going to slow down for you. So make sure you tuck your money away. We're real lucky. We stay busy year round.
Yeah, we've been staying busy and then just been on the grind.
So Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
I say 75.
$75?
Yeah.
I'm going to say $53.
Oh, you're probably going to win.
So leave a comment down below what you guys think. There's a bunch of boxes back there, a bunch of wrapping stuff that's inside those bags, like paper and stuff.
Yeah,
so I don't know what the Julio was even thinking right now. Do you want to change your bet?
I say 45.
Oh, hell no, you can't change your bet. So let's see what happens. Now, just for the record, I won twice today, Julio.
God damn it.
And it feels damn good.
It sucks losing twice today, dude. I usually freaking win. No, I'm just...
Whatever, straight liar. So just like that, we're done for the day. And something else you want to know about this business, if you do it right, you can make a ton of money, but you got to have a website. You want to look professional when you show up to a job. You want to have some good decals and get good reviews and have great customer service. So you can make a shit ton of money. Now, Julio, what do you want them to do?
Like, subscribe, and give us thumbs up.
And we'll catch you on the next video. And we love all you guys.
Love you guys.